Hello everyone, I'm Toastmaster Akash and I have been a Toastmaster for the last 18 months. Toastmasters is a place where leaders are made and it gives me immense pleasure to share my experience as a Toastmaster. I'm currently serving as the Vice President membership of a Fogo VIT Toastmasters Club and it has been such a humbling experience for me. At Toastmasters, I have learned to deliver speeches that inspire, entertain and inform audience in a very creative way. I've been so fortunate to be able to work on the skill set of 21st century, namely communication skills, networking skills, and leadership skills through Toastmasters. I have met wonderful people here who come from different backgrounds and demographics, but their values and beliefs are so inspiring. But what has been truly a game changer for me is mentorship in Toastmasters. I have had amazing mentors who have taught me valuable life lessons, and I still continue to learn from them. The mantra of being consistent and believing in yourself has produced unbelievable results for me as a speaker and as a leader. Especially at Fogo VIT Toastmasters Club, we share a family like bond where people care for each other and love each other. The bottom line is, Toastmasters has played a huge role in who I am today. Thank you.